Assalamu alaikum and hello to all students. I am Professor Masood Fuzail from Easy Biology. Today we are going to study excretion in cockroach. Cockroach is an arthropod and an insect. Its excretory system is related to its digestive system. When we look at the internal structure of a cockroach, its body has digestive system which start from mouth and ends at anus. This digestive system or gut has been divided into three parts. The anterior portion is known as foregut, while the middle portion is known as midgut, and the third and the last portion is known as hindgut. At the junction of midgut and foregut, we can see very small hair-like tubules known as Malpighian tubules. As you can see in the diagram, the red color tubules are known as Malpighian tubules. These Malpighian tubules are suspended inside their body in a liquid known as hemolymph. Hemo mean blood, lymph mean clear water, because their blood does not contain any pigments like our red blood cell do. So that is why their blood is called hemolymph. Hemolymph contain different types of waste material like water, salts, uric acid and some other waste material. The Malpighian tubules are going to filter those waste material and remove them from the body. There is no separate excretory system present in insects or cockroach. Maybe it is because of their adaptation on land. They want to conserve their water maximum, so they do not have any kidneys or separate excretory system. Their excretory system is totally connected with their digestive system. Now we are going to look at the internal structure of a Malpighian tubule. So I have taken a small piece of Malpighian tubule and enlarged it with a microscope. When we look at the structure of a Malpighian tubule, it consists of a single cell thin epithelium lining. It means that the tubule is very thin, only single celled thick tubule is present. This tubule contain a cavity known as lumen. As you know that this tubule is suspended in the hemolymph, as you can see in the blue area. So this is also a hemolymph. Hemolymph contain waste material like uric acid, some other salts and water. Water and other salts actively or diffusion, with help of diffusion, moves into the lumen of Malpighian tubule. When these molecules move into the Malpighian tubule lumen, then they are transported to the gut. Remember that this Malpighian tubule has two ends. One end is blind, while other end has one opening, which opens into the midgut. All the waste materials which lumen has collected from the hemolymph now can be poured into the midgut. These waste material along with undigested food material passes from intestine. Intestine reabsorb all the water, glucose, essential nutrients from the intestine and brings them back into the blood so that they cannot be removed from body. When all the essential nutrients have been reabsorbed, the waste product store in a small pouch-like structure, rectum. Here also reabsorption takes place, especially of water and some salts. After that, the waste material of the body excreted in the form of solid excreta, which are known as their feces. These fishes contain undigested food material which is coming from their gut and some uric acid crystals which are coming from Malpighian tubules. So this is how insects have successfully adopted on land due to their excretory system which is connected to the digestive system. I hope कि आपको you have understand this lecture. Please like it, subscribe it, share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.